Have you heard the buzz?
Tired of just watching shows? Come be in ours.
Join the cast of The Buzz and take part in live research with Adam and me.
From the creators of Bug Bites on PBS comes a brand new show. The Buzz is a live, 60-minute, hands-on, next-generation science show, co-hosted by students in the 5th through 9th grades. A hybrid science class and television program reminiscent of Bill Nye, kids who join the cast of The Buzz will complete science projects at home and dive deep into science topics that matter the most right now. Over the course of an 8-episode season, science teacher Adam Lazarus and animated stick insect Harv will lead participants in an exploration of biodiversity, ecosystems, gardening, and the principles of scientific research. Along the way, we'll learn tricks for vetting scientific claims and adding one's voice to the worldwide student movement to draw down greenhouse gases from the atmosphere.
So bring yourself, bring your pet,
Bring some grub.
Hey guys.
and join us on The Buzz.